Here is a Galaxy 16-inch oscillating table fan. I got this from a sale a few years ago, and when I got it, this fan was extremely dirty. It looked like it had a lot of hours on it. And it also kind of had a stinky smell to it, where it was probably in a smoking environment house. But I cleaned it as best as I could, and it's still not in the greatest shape. The grills do not have a shine to them anymore, but they're not rusted though, however. All of the plastic clips doesn't exist on there anymore. At some point in time, those broke off. This would be from, since this is the gray, this would be sometime around the 90s. Probably early 90s, I imagine. So, go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. Here's the front. That's the newer Galaxy badge, or logo that is. Now, the 90s Galaxy Lasco fans of the time were still pretty good. They did started cheaping out on things though, like the blade material went from originally to be like a hard non-flexible plastic to more now of a flexible plastic, so they cheapened out on there. And I believe their motors, or either their motor housings, shrunk a little bit. Here's the side. There is a broken clip there, but that's really the only source of damage to this fan. Here's the back. Here's the bottom. Not all of the rubber feet are there. This one is gone. 3 of them exist still. Informations are upside down. Not sure what the model this. They never display the models on these fans. And here is the plug. Non-polarize. This could be even very, very late 80s perhaps. Somewhere very late 80s or very early 90s, I would say. So I'll go ahead and turn this on with low. It does have a motor hum to it. And these later Galaxy Lasco fans were a little bit more noisier than the ones that were made in the 80s, only because of the blade design. These later ones created like kind of a wind noise. The older ones were just pretty much silent. But for the amount of air that's being thrown out for this, it's not too bad. It's not loud. It's pretty quiet. Alright, we'll go to medium. Now we pick up with a lot of more noise. And a pretty good amount of breeze still. Go to high. It's blowing a good amount of air. Turn on the oscillator. And off. Pretty good spin down time. There you have it, Galaxy 16-inch oscillating table fan.